Welcome back all of you to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 8th and the subject is maths, and we are supposed to continue the same chapter, that is chapter number 9, and the name of the chapter is algebraic expressions and identities. So as we were proceeding the exercise 9.5 and we have completed up to question number 6. So today we will start with question number 7. So as I told you previously that while watching the videos you should have your textbooks with you, so that you can also read the question and you can get the information what we are supposed to do in that particular question. So first of all we will read the question. In question number 7 it is given that we are supposed to use the identity, using identity which identity we are supposed to use here, that is a square minus b square, a square minus b square, that is a minus b into a plus b, and we are supposed to find using identity a square minus b square, that is equals to a plus b into a minus b. We are supposed to find the value of the given expressions. So first one is 51 square minus 49 square. So we are supposed to use the above mentioned identity, that is, so first of all we will write, we know that a square minus b square is equals to a minus b into a plus b. In place of a, here it is 51, in place of b, here it is 49. So we are supposed to replace that, that is 51 square minus 49 square, that is we are supposed to find, that is the question. So as we have replaced or as we have substituted the values of a and b on the left hand side, so we are supposed to do the same thing. We are supposed to replace the values of a and b on the right hand side also to get the answer. A minus b, that is 51 minus 49, and a plus b means 51 plus 49. So 51 square minus 49 square is equals to 51 minus 49, that is 2, into 51 plus 49, that is 100. So we got the answer, that is 51 square minus 49 square, and that is equals to 200. That is using that identity. Otherwise what we have to do, 51 into 51 we have to find the value, and then we are supposed to subtract 49 into 49. So 2 times we are supposed to multiply, afterwards we are supposed to subtract as well. So that is the longer process. To avoid that process we are supposed to use the identity and that is also given in this question. If the identity is not given, even then you can use the same identity, that is a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. In the same time we are supposed to discuss some more parts given in this question, that is the second one. Second part is 1.02 square minus 0.98 square. So again we are supposed to use the same identity which we know. So that is a method of proceeding the question. We are supposed to write like this only. We know that a square minus b square is equals to a minus b into a plus b. A 1.02, b 0.98. So we are supposed to replace that 1.02 square minus 0.98 square is equals to a minus b, means 1.02 minus 0.98. At the same time, A plus B means 1.02 plus 0.98. So, we have substituted the values of A and B on the left hand side as well as on the right hand side of the given identity. So, the left hand side is the expression which we are supposed to solve. So, we will write the same thing, that is 1.02 square minus 0.98 square, and we are supposed to subtract that. So, 1.02 minus 0.98. So, 12 minus 8, that is 4, 9 minus 9 0, and here again 0. So, that will be 0.04, and from here we are supposed to add 1.02 plus 0.98, and we will get 2. From here we are getting 2. So, we are supposed to add and subtract one time, and afterwards we are supposed to now multiply, and after multiplying we will get the answer. That is 0.08. So, we got the answer. At the same time, we will take one more part, that is the third part of this question. In which we are supposed to find the value of 153 square, 153 square minus 47 square. So, this 147, sorry, that is 147 square. So, again we are supposed to write that we know what we know, that a square minus b square is equals to a minus b into a plus b. On the now we are supposed to substitute the value of a and b in the identity. Here a is 153 and b is 147. So, 153 square minus 147 square is equals to, on the right hand side also we are supposed to substitute 153 plus 147. So, now we are supposed to write 153 square minus 147 square, then first of all we are supposed to add, in the first bracket we are supposed to subtract, and from subtraction we will get 153 minus 147, that is 6, and here 153 plus 147 we will get 300, and we will get the answer of this question, that is 1800, like this. So, after this we are supposed to discuss the next question, that is question number 8. In question number 8 also we are supposed to use the given identity. x plus a into x plus b. That identity we are supposed to use, and that is equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. And using that identity we are supposed to find first, the first part is there, and the first part is 103 into 105, 103 into 105. First of all, we are supposed to modify that numbers, that is 103 we can write 100 plus 3, and into 105 we can write 100 plus 5. So now afterwards we can write, we know which identity we know, this, because this we are supposed to use here, x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus a b. So now we are supposed to substitute the values, x means 100 and a means 3 and b means 5. So we are supposed to substitute on the both sides. So here becomes 100 plus 3, 100 plus 5. Here x square means 100 square plus a plus b means 3 plus 5 into x means into 100 plus ab means 3 into 5. So from here we got 103 into 105, which we are supposed to calculate, and from here we can calculate 100 square means 10,000 plus 5 plus 3, 3 plus 5 8, 8 into 100, that is 800 plus 3 5 ja 15, and we got the answer now. That is 10,815. So like this we can proceed the questions given in this exercise. First of all, you are supposed to repeat the questions which we have discussed today, and afterwards you are supposed to try the parts which we have left, or now the chapter has been completed as well as the exercise also has been completed, because this was the last question, and afterwards you are supposed to go through the chapter and you are supposed to try the different questions from the different exercises. And if you are facing any kind of problem or if you are having any kind of doubt, then you can message us or you can even call us. We will try to rectify your doubts. You can either send us message or you can otherwise you can make a call to us to tell regarding your doubts. So we will include your doubts in the next video. At the same time, after completing the work, you are supposed to take the pic of that and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number, so that we can also maintain the record of the name of the students who are completing their work on the daily basis. Thank you very much.